In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDC on Binance, a beginner's guide. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, purchasing USDC, a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, can be an excellent way to get started. Whether you aim to use it for trading or as a hedge against volatility, I'll guide you through each step to make your experience seamless and secure. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to create and verify your Binance account. Head over to Binance.com and sign up using either your email address or mobile number, whichever you're most comfortable with. After you've entered your information, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, commonly known as KYC or Know Your Customer. This ensures the protection and legitimacy of all users on the platform. You'll be asked to upload a government-issued ID and a selfie for verification purposes. Once your identity is verified, securing your account with two-factor authentication is a crucial step. This adds an extra layer of security, helping protect your funds and data. Now that your account is set up, let's move on to depositing funds. Navigate over to the Wallet section and then click on Fiat and Spot. This is where you'll manage most of your balances. Click on the Deposit button to start adding funds. Binance offers several methods to deposit money. You can opt for a bank transfer, allowing you to directly move funds from your bank account to your Binance account. Alternatively, using a credit or debit card is an option, which is convenient though it may incur additional fees. If you'd prefer not to use these traditional banking methods, Binance's peer-to-peer network is a fantastic choice. P2P allows you to buy USDC directly from other users using a variety of payment options, providing flexibility. With funds now in your account, it's time to buy USDC. Head over to the Buy Crypto page. This is where you'll choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, in this case, USDC. Enter the amount you'd like to buy and pick your preferred payment method, whether it be card, bank transfer, or P2P. Double-check the transaction details, making sure you're satisfied with the fees and exchange rates before proceeding. Once you're ready, hit the Buy USDC button to complete your purchase. After finalizing your transaction, your newly acquired USDC will be credited to your Spot wallet. To check your balance, go to Wallet, and then Fiat and Spot. Simply search for USDC and you should see the amount reflected there peacefully resting in your account. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to buying USDC on Binance. By following these steps, you can now manage your USDC holdings with confidence, adapting as needed to the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.